Let me say something that might be a relief to hear. If you are a creative person who feels stuck right now, it's probably not because you are lazy or unmotivated. It's more likely because you're just out of creative confidence. A lot of creatives, especially those of us in the corporate world, start assuming something is wrong with us when we stop creating or we procrastinate on our ideas. We tell ourselves that we've lost our drive or that we are not disciplined enough or that maybe we don't want it badly enough, right? But that's not usually the truth. What actually happens is that the corporate environment trains us to execute, to follow structure, and to wait for approval. And in creativity, it's the opposite. Creativity needs trust, it needs permission, it needs repetition without judgment. So when you don't use that muscle for a while, your confidence fades. That's just a normal thing that happens, not because you have failed, but because you have stopped practicing. And when your confidence fades, ideas feel risky. Starting a new project feels overwhelming. Taking the paintbrush, it feels you get anxious and you freeze, not because you don't care, but because you care too deeply. If that's you, hear this clearly. There is nothing wrong with you. Creative confidence, it's not something you either have or don't have. It is something that you build. And it doesn't come from motivation, it actually comes from small, consistent actions that teaches you that you can trust yourself again. So if anything that I've said resonates with you, I've created a space called the Creative Confidence Circle. And it's for corporate creatives just like you and me who wants to get out of their own way and just start again. To start slowly, to start safely, because your creativity is not gone. It's just waiting for you to trust it again.